Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. It's a rainy day in Central Texas and I'm kind of stuck inside. Can't get out to my shop. So I thought I'd show you, if you wanted anything, an ellipse, and you wanted them touching, and you wanted them 11 across, in particular we have a 1-inch object, so we're going to change our nudge distance to 1 inch. So there's 3 ways you could do this that I know of, and maybe more. Control D and then move your arrow key and then hit Control D again until you get to the 11. Sometimes my laptop slows down. So there's one way to do it. That's probably the fastest because you're going to get to so quick. The other one would go to Edit, Step and Repeat. Step your distance at 0 to the right, and we want 10 of them. So that was pretty quick if you had this Docker open, which is under Edit, Step, and Repeat. And this is a really handy unit. Now, if you don't, there's just one more way you could do that. We can take that object and we're going to set our nudge distance on 10 inches and Control D and move that over 10 inches. And then select both of them and go to the blend tool, which is under Effects and Blend. And we want 9. And it's going to fill up that spot. So they're all 3 identical. I just made the video just to kind of show you step and repeat and blend and how they work and other ways to do things. And then really once you have these, that's probably a blend. These are already together, so we're going to break the blend apart. And then you could weld them and be the same thing because they're going to be together even though they're not. They're kind of touching. Well, let's take the virtual segment delete key and just show you that it's really, they're continuous lines basically. Well, this would be a pretty good way to make half circles, I guess, if you ever needed something like that. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.